In the previous dojo, we took a look at a lot of different functions that Java offers us right off the box. But you can also make functions yourself. Like, for example, here, I have an interface, and I call it my function, and I have one method in it, just one method in this interface. It returns a string, it takes a string, and I call the method apply. It has no body since it is an interface. And I can use this interface instead of this function over here. So I just replaced the declaration that said it was a function and it took a string and it returned a string. Now I replace it with a reference to this interface that takes a string as well and also returns a string. So nothing has changed there. It also has the apply method, just like the function does. And now I can just use it as it was before. The trick behind it is that it only has one method. So that's why it also is called a SAM, a Single-Abstract-Method. The old way before Java 8, in Java 8 this lambda expression was introduced. There is also another way that is more visual if you want to see what's happening inside. I can call a new on the interface and then I have to implement it right away. So here you can see that I have a reference to the interface. It has one method inside of it. It's called apply. It returns a string, it takes a string, it needs a body. We can fill that in here, and it has to be overridden. And if you simplify this, you basically end up with the function that we saw before. Let's go back here, where we take the argument and return a value. And we can, in this way, you can make a whole bunch of functions that you want to use. Maybe you want to have one that takes 3 arguments. No problem there. You can just put 3 arguments in here and put your 3 values inside the brackets. Just to prove that it's still working, I will run it. You can see hello world. Again, call it with my name. Hello Rutger. Function is not used, so we don't use the functions that are declared in Java itself. We use our own function that we made down here. So yeah, functions are just interfaces that we fill in right on the spot when we need them. Go have fun, play around with it. Again, this is Dojo, so there is a Kata. Links will be down below.